3, 2, 1, go. It is absolutely necessary for us to move towards this rate structure so that we put an end to wasteful litigation and have a transparent and simple tax structure. It was not possible in the time available to me in preparing this budget to achieve this goal in the current year. However, I propose to take the first step this year and I am confident that will achieve a 4-rate excise duty structure in another year or two. I propose to integrate the tax on the textile sector with the mainstream of central excise duties by introducing the principle in this sector. Honorable members are aware that the present excise duties are levied at the fiber and yarn stage and there is only an additional excise duty in lieu of sales tax on fabrics. This is one of the most inefficient ways of taxation as it results in a very high duties on inputs which encourages evasion. It does not capture value addition and it denies the industry an opportunity of claiming input credit on capital goods, chemicals and yarn. While modernization of other industries is taking place speedily, our textile industry has not been able to participate fully in this process because of this lopsided tax structure. I therefore make the following proposals. I propose to reduce the excise duty on yarn in the case of polyester filament yarn from the current level of 50% to 40% and unify the rate on other yarn at 20% except nylon filament yarn and cotton yarn for which the present rates of 30% and 5% respectively will be retained. In order to provide principle for the textile sector, I propose to impose a basic excise duty of 5% on cotton fabrics and 10% on other fabrics which will be collected at the processed fabric stage. It is needless today for anyone to argue about the crucial role of science and technology in the development of national resources without which the problem of poverty can never be successfully tackled. We have witnessed not only a global movement for national independence since the advent of Mahatma Gandhi on the scene, but also a widespread movement towards industrialization and modernization in the developing countries. In most of the cases, the basic inspiration as well as the model for this process has been provided by those countries of the West which were the first to have the benefit of scientific and technological revolution. Mahatma Gandhi showed us the way to a fresh approach to our problems of development. It was he who insisted on the need to define the basic values of human society in India as a prerequisite for implanting the new production system based on science and technology. Similarly, he stressed the need to harmonize these new elements with the urgent tasks of national integration and cultural regeneration. Stop.